Welcome to Discover Agriculture, where we explore agriculture to help farmers succeed. Today, we're diving into sugarcane farming. Sugarcane is crucial for farmers everywhere, but boosting productivity and profit takes skill and planning. Let's discover how to make sugarcane farming more successful. The foundation of any successful crop begins with soil preparation. Conduct soil tests to assess nutrient levels and pH balance. Based on results, amend the soil with organic matter and essential nutrients to create an optimal growing environment for sugarcane. Choose high-yielding and disease-resistant sugarcane varieties suited to your local climate and soil conditions. Consult agricultural experts or research institutions for recommendations tailored to your region. Adopt modern planting techniques such as furrow irrigation or drip irrigation to ensure efficient water utilization and root development. Plant sugarcane in rows with adequate spacing to facilitate proper growth and management. Implement a balanced nutrient management plan throughout the crop cycle. Monitor nutrient uptake and apply fertilizers at critical growth stages to support healthy plant growth and maximize yield potential. Implement integrated pest management strategies to control weeds, pests, and diseases effectively. Utilize cultural practices, biological control methods, and safe pesticide applications to minimize crop damage and ensure optimal yield. Manage irrigation carefully to meet the water requirements of sugarcane at different growth stages. Implement efficient irrigation systems and scheduling to minimize water wastage and maximize crop productivity. Regularly monitor the growth and development of sugarcane throughout the season. Keep a close eye on factors such as plant health, nutrient status, and pest pressure. Adjust management practices accordingly to address any issues promptly. Time harvest operations carefully to maximize sucrose content and yield. Utilize appropriate harvesting equipment and techniques to minimize losses and ensure efficient extraction of sugarcane juice. Implement proper post-harvest handling practices to maintain product quality and shelf life. To maximize productivity and profit in sugarcane farming, focus on soil, seeds, planting, nutrients, pests, water, monitoring, and harvest. By following these steps and using modern techniques, farmers can increase yields and quality. Success in farming comes from learning, hard work, and striving for excellence. Join us again as we continue to uncover the marvels of agriculture here on Discover Agriculture. Until next time, happy farming!